This session will show you how to access your Synology router or Synology NAS device by using Telnet. It's a form of a Linux command to communicate with the router when you are having difficulties such as breaking the router or the NAS and you are unable to install the system, or you want to fix some problems. You will need to watch our videos that will show you how to access the NAS or the router if it's been bricked and you're unable to detect it by wire or by wireless communication. You need to connect your router through a WAN port to the LAN port of your PC. You get to this screen and then you click setup, and then you provide, in this case it's asking for firmware because the actual firmware is corrupted and it's basically it need reinstallation. Once you get to this stage and you try to actually update the system with the firmware, the firmware file, this is the latest firmware file for this router. It's a Synology 2600, and once you start the process it will end up with an error message because there's corruption inside and it's unable to fix it. It's asking you basically that's the error message, to contact support. So in this case you need to open the Telnet utility, which is spotty, and then you type the IP address at the top here. This is the IP address of the actual Synology machine. Put it in here and then select Telnet, and then you select port 23, click open. The login username will be root and the password default will be the 101-0101. and if you're asking why, this is to do with a special formula that relate to the date on the router. If your router doesn't have an actual date, it will be reset to the 1st of January, and there's a formula for calculating these dates available online. If you search, it will show you how to calculate these dates. But for most cases where you have no system installed, it will be 101-0101. And then once you get here, you could display the list of folders or directories. You can see here we've got the volume 1 where the data is, temp file folder, the root, system, user, VAR, and then you need to use the Linux command to transfer files and delete files. You need to have some knowledge to be able to manipulate the actual list of files, delete the corrupted bit, and then upload manually by Telnet the firmware file. This is what the support Synology support does. They basically have access to Telnet. They ask you to forward port 23 through your main router. They will remotely access it to try and fix it. Hope that's give you some insight into the issue and give you a head start to fix the problem. Thank you.